everybody, and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Well, like all my recipes, today's recipe too is going to be quick, easy, yet delicious. So, without much further ado, let's just jump straight ahead into today's recipe. So friends, today let's see this simple yet delicious recipe of chili chicken. Now in a pan, I've put my pan on a low to medium flame, and to that I've added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use regular oil too. Now I've taken 450 grams of boneless chicken breast, washed it well, and then chopped it up into small pieces like this. And we're going to fry this chicken till it turns from a pink color to a white color. So that takes about 4 to 5 minutes. And once that is done, just take off the chicken and put it in a separate bowl. Now you can add maybe half a tablespoon more of oil, or you can just use whatever oil is remaining in the pan. And to this, I'm going to add about 10 cloves of garlic, which I have chopped up extremely fine. Then I'm also going to be, after I saute the garlic nice and till it turns a little bit crispy, we're going to add about an inch of ginger. We're going to fry that well too. And now I'm going to add about 1 medium-sized onion, which I've just chopped up into small pieces, followed by 1 capsicum also, which I've chopped up into small pieces. Then I'm just going to add some salt and some pepper. We're going to give all of this a nice mix and see that everything gets coated well. Now I'm just going to add some sauces. First I'm going to add some red chili sauce. Now all the ingredients along with the exact measurements, you're going to find them in the description box along with the recipe too. Now I've also added a little bit of tomato ketchup, that is optional. And then comes some soya sauce. So we're going to mix all of this well together. Now I'm going to add just about a tablespoon of vinegar, and we're going to mix everything well together till we get a little bit of a kind of gravy. Now we're going to add the fried chicken, and we are going to mix everything well together. Cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes on a low to medium flame. And that's it, friends. Your chili chicken is all ready to enjoy. You can have this with some cilantro and lemon rice. I have a recipe for that. I'll leave a link below. So friends, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you're going to give it a try. Do let me know in the comment section below what you thought of today's recipe. Do share my recipes with family and friends. Spread the word about Akshata's recipes. You can also follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, and I also have my own blog. All links are going to be down in the description box below, as well as the comment section below, as well as today's recipe, the entire recipe with all the ingredients, the exact measurements, the method, everything is going to be in the description box below. So be sure to go and click it, and you can find everything there. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. I need those likes. Just click the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the red subscribe button that you see somewhere below the screen. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will pop up. Click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a new video, you will get a message for the same. Also, when I'm online, you can chat with me. You get a message that Akshata is online doing a live stream, so you can be a part of the live stream too. So friends, thank you so much for visiting my channel today. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. So I'll sign off, but before signing off, let me tell you my message as usual, which was stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till we meet again, this is Akshata signing off. Bye.